my friend. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Today we are going to draw Bluey and Peppa Pig. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her mouth. And complete her eyes. Then her nose. I draw the shape of her head. And then her body. I draw her patches. Then I draw her eyebrows. Then I draw her triangle shape. I draw her ears.
Bingo and George join the fun.
Then let's draw her legs.
Out in the sun, dressing up as pirates ahoy and away. Every moment's a brand new day.
I draw her patches around her.
Bluey's a hero, a dog so brave.
I draw her hand and her arm. Then her tail. Let's complete her arm. And I'm going to draw the balloon.
Hide and seek in the backyard race.
Do you also like the balloon? I am going to draw Peppa Pig. Let's start with her nose and the shape of her head. I draw her eyes. I draw her ears, her smile and a circle for her cheek. Then I draw her body. I draw her legs. I draw her arms. Then her tail. Let's coloring Bluey nose with black color. Dark blue color.
Eyes big and round, or a tiny frown. Silly faces turn the world upside down. Will rise. Tongue sticking out, reaching for the sky. Wobbly chin and a wink in your eye. Puff out your cheeks like a big balloon. Silly faces chase away the gloom. Cross your eyes, let your nose go free. Make a fishy pout for all to see. Surprise face with eyebrows way up high. Silly faces make the minutes fly. Chomp your teeth like a hungry shark. Stretch your neck tall, leave your mark. Flutter your lashes like butterfly wings. Silly faces are the funniest things.
Sandy brown color.
Silly face, what will it be? Stretch your smile wide across the sea. Eyes big and round, or a tiny frown. Silly faces turn the world upside down.
Light blue color.
In the mirror, who do we see? A goofy monster, happy and free. Laughing together, we don't have a care. Silly faces show how much we share. Pretend to whistle with a missing tooth. Twirl your mustache, oh so smooth. Buzz your lips like a bumblebee. Silly faces set our spirits free. Twirling tongues and
Blue color.
lopsided grin. Making silly faces is how the fun begins. No need to be serious, just let loose and play. Silly faces brighten up our every day. Bluey and Peppa,
Let's coloring the balloon with green color, orange color, and yellow color. Let's coloring Peppa Pig with pink color.
Bingo and George join the fun, building castles out in
Dark pink color,
sun, dressing up
red color,
joy and the way. Every moment's a brand new day. Bluey
black color,
a dog so brave,
green color,
loves muddy puddles, the splish and the splash they gay. With friends like Chloe and Susie Sheep, that playful world is a joy to keep.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Hide and seek and the backyard race, painting rainbows on each little face.